Welcome to Mahamaya Tutorials. In this lecture, I'll be teaching how to install WordPress in your local host. Go to your Chrome, type WordPress, download. You'll get a first option, that is the WordPress.org download. The latest version is 4.7.2 WordPress. Within an interval of 1 to 2 months, you'll get a new WordPress update. So click on this. The WordPress will get downloaded. As you can see, the WordPress is getting downloaded. I have already downloaded the WordPress, so I'm cancelling this. I'll take you to the download option. Now this is the what file you will get after downloading. This is WordPress 4.7.2. Now minimize this window and minimize this window. Start your XAMPP control panel. Click on Start Apache and then click on MySQL Start. If you are getting issue, I have created a video on this related to the starting problem of this MySQL. You can watch that video. If you need, I can put the link below. You can see that video if you are getting an issue in turning on this MySQL. That you need to download redistribution v++. That is a software you need to download. So once this is the control panel that you have started. Now minimize this. Go to localhost /php myadmin. You need to type php myadmin / type enter. It will take a process. Now this is the what you will get once you activate this control panel. This will help you in creation of a local host in your laptop. Instead of creating a local host in your server of internet, you can create the same without the use of the internet or Wi-Fi in your local host for the development of a website or anything related to that, or the theme testing you can use for this. So now next step is to click on this is the database where you can create a database. Now minimize this. Open this folder WordPress, copy this, go to C drive. In C drive you'll find a XAMPP, XAMPP. Open this folder and here you will get htdoc folder. This is htdoc. Open this. What you need to do, you need to Control V, or you can click on paste. Once you are done with this, it will unzip this. You can use any unzip folder of software, or you can directly extract all. Here you can use, I'm using 7-zip, so extract here. Once you are done with the extracting, you'll get a WordPress. This is the WordPress that we'll be getting after installation. Here we can install our theme. Now this unzip folder, there's no need of this. You can delete this. I'll tell you one more thing, that once you are creating a folder here in htdoc, your local host will be like localhost /WordPress. If you are clicking this thing, if you are installing this inside new folder, assume if you are installing this WordPress inside new folder, so what will be the localhost /new folder / whatever WordPress you are using, that WordPress it will come. So no need to change this feature. Paste it here itself. Now I'll delete this new folder. No need of this. So I'm done with the pasting of this WordPress. Now I'll go to WordPress. Now it's time to create a database with the name, whatever name you want to write, Maya Tutorials. create a database. Now the database name has been created. Go to localhost. It's not WordPress. Is okay. Yes, this is WordPress. My database name is Mahamaya Tutorials. Here you can see the once you click localhost WordPress, here I've installed in the localhost htdoc folder, that is WordPress. If you are installing in a new folder, again then in the new folder if you are installing a WordPress, then your localhost will change. This ID will change, like it will come new folder slash WordPress, it will come like that. So now my configuration is correct, so I'll go for click on English. It's already by default is selected. Click on continue, click on let's go. Here it's your database name is whatever database name you have given here. Now for database name we have given here, it's Maha Tutorials. Okay, I'll write Maha Tutorials, and the username, for the username we can't change it by default, it's root. How we can verify this? This is a Mahamaya tutorial that we have selected, and go to privileges option. Once you go to privileges option, you are getting a username will be the root. This is our root option. This is username. You can edit privileges option. If you want, you can edit this. This is the host name. You can these are the local host name. This is global, and now it's time to write here root. By default you should always write root. No need to write password for this. The database host is localhost, and the table prefixes will be wp_. Click on submit. Now you will get an option to run the installation. Click on install. It will take a 15 to 20 seconds. Write your website name, whatever website I want. Let's I'll be creating a photography theme. Username I'll be writing Mahamaya Tutorials. Next, my password. You need to write anything whatever you want, depend on the user. Like my name is Rahul, I'll be writing Rahul @321 will be my password, and it's saying it's a weak password, so you need to click here confirm use of weak password. Then only this installation file will get activated, or else it won't. See, this is highlighting highlight option is getting faded. So write your email ID. You can write whatever email ID you want, XYZ. This is not my, this is a fake email ID that I am using. You can write whatever you want @gmail.com, but be sure it's your email ID. I am simply writing just only for the tutorial purpose. Now click on installation. See, now once they are done, I'm getting a username as Mahamaya Tutorials, and my password was Rahul @321. Now I can log in into this. You can ask them to remember this password. It's not to worry. Next option is for you to theme option. You can install, choose the theme, whatever theme you want out of these, or you can add a new theme, upload a new theme, choose a file. The GIF file you can choose from this, whatever new file you want to upload on this website you can choose. For the more updates, you can subscribe my channel, put thumbs up for my video if you really like it. I'll be creating a various tutorials on the different types of themes, so subscribe my channel for the more updates. Thanks for watching my tutorials video.